Come here, hold this. Hold it, dumbass. And quit rubbing your eye, touching everything. This end. You're a dumbass.
Stop! Why are you cutting that? Why are you cutting that?
Because it's got black stuff all over it. I think it came out of the garage. I'm using it for a rag. It's got stuff all over it.
What are you listening to? Ah, it's hurting.
Why is it your business? Did you buy it?
What the heck are you talking about?
You said, why are you cutting that?
I said, what are you listening to?
Well, your business. You're not going nowhere today.
Why?
Nowhere, because you're not.
Because what?
Because you're not.
What did I do? Hello, Mrs. Frankenstein.
What?
Mrs. Frankenstein. The Bride of Chucky. Something. What did I do?
You're a retard.
What did I do?
You ain't going nowhere.
What did I do?
You didn't come home yesterday.
I have a reason.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Not good enough.
You didn't even know. Crack baby.
Get out.
Where's my clothes? Where's my clothes?
What clothes?
My pants.
All this stuff got washed.
Then where's my stuff?
I put it in your room. You took it. You got all your stuff off the couch when I had all them clothes out there. Stupid.
Why are you talking